everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's finally 2019. How crazy is that? In this video, I'm going to be talking about some goals I have, some questions you guys have had for me. I'm going to be doing my makeup, and please watch and get ready with me. But before we get into the video, please make sure that you like this video, comment down below, and please make sure to hit that subscribe button right down below, and it will help me out a lot. Make sure that you hit the bell button because YouTube does not let you know when I post videos, and I really want you guys to make sure you're seeing my videos when they come out. So without me rambling on anymore, let's just get right into this video. Wait, I look really bad when it starts, but we're used to that. I'm still a mess. It's fine. Let's go. Okay, this is just bad, but we're gonna deal with this later. The problem was I washed my hair, like I curled my hair, I washed my hair, and then I didn't brush my hair. So now it's just like nappy and gross. So my mirror's gonna be over here. So I'm gonna keep looking this way, but I'm gonna talk to you guys over here. So basically I wanted to make this video and start off 2019. I wanted to do kind of like a chit chat, get ready with me, kind of life update. I never really did like a question and answer, or some of you guys have questions about my life, and so I'm going to be answering some questions. So basically I have to go to work, but I figured I would sit down and film, and why not try to look like somewhat decent. Oh my gosh, literally so bad. If you guys have any suggestions of like good hair products I should use, let me know, because I don't really take care of my hair as much as I should. Okay, to start off, I'm just gonna prep my skin because I just washed it. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my Cetaphil, moisturize my face. So some questions that I've been getting a lot is, what do I do? Like, what's going on? Like, who is Christina Barr? So plain and simple, I grew up in Cleveland, Ohio, and that's currently where I'm at right now. I am a dancer. I grew up dancing my entire life, and I love dance. It's my passion. It's what I want to do for the rest of my life, and I also really like YouTube. I've been wanting to do YouTube since I was young. Like, I would always be on the computer looking at YouTube videos, and then I finally decided I was just gonna do it. Like, I feel like a lot of people, they wait until they have like the right equipment, they have a camera, they have like a good laptop, like stuff like that. Like, and then I just started doing it on my phone, and then here I am now. So that's pretty much what's going on. When I was in high school, I ended up getting a scholarship to go to New York and do the Broadway Dance Center professional semester. So for those of you who've done that, or you know anything about that, it's a really great program. I love it. I made so many good friends, and they're still friends that I keep in touch with today. And I'm just so happy. Like, I'm so grateful that I had that experience. And living in New York right out of high school, you're 18 years old, like, that is a huge step. So I I just jumped right in, and I just decided, you know what, we're just gonna try it, and if all else fails, then I'll just come home. But I ended up really liking it. By the end of my program, it was 4 months long, I got signed with a talent agency who I'm still with today. What am I doing? Okay. I got signed with a talent agency that I'm still with today, and I love my talent agency. It's Clear Talent Group. So shout out to Clear if you guys are watching it. I love you. Anyways, so I've been with them for a few years now. I ended up doing a few music videos before. I've done a few shows here and there. My most recent adventure that you guys have seen, which was where I actually started YouTube, was I was in Japan for a year. So, well, like 9 months, basically a year. And that was just like a freaking awesome experience, because not only was I working for Disney out there, but I made some really cool friends, and my foundation doesn't match my skin tone, but I don't know what color I am, so that's what's going on here. It's just the, what is this, Maybelline Dewy and Smooth. This is shade 120 Classic Ivory. I'm just gonna like put the, did you see that? I like basically put it in my mouth. What's going on? Don't know. I've talked about my experience in Japan a few times on my channel, and especially at the beginning of my channel I've talked about it, because obviously I was living it while it was happening. A lot of people ask why I was in a neck brace. Some people would refer to me as the neck brace girl, and I actually kind of love that. I think it's so funny. But I was in a neck brace because when I was doing my show, I ended up hurting my spine pretty badly. my spine in my neck here. It's originally this way. Mine shifted the complete opposite way. So I was having really bad spinal damage, and I was also putting, like, my nerves were really messed up from it. So it traveled down the back of my back, and I still have some nerves right in the middle of my shoulder blades that don't move. So hopefully someday, like, I'll get those to work. But since then, I've been home. I came home in March of 2018, end of March, first week of April, and I've been home ever since. I've been taking care of myself and my body, because obviously you need to make sure you're healthy first before you do anything else. My original plans were to right away move to LA. Like, that was my original plan, because I've always wanted to move to LA, but I decided to go to New York first, and then I got a job and I moved to Japan. But I always wanted to move to LA, and like most recently I want to kind of move to Vegas, but I'm still trying to figure out what's the right move to make and all of that stuff. So I need to blend this down my neck. Like, as you can see, like, you can tell a lot in the viewfinder that this isn't my shade, but like in real life it really doesn't look too bad. Yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on. I've been working and I've been teaching at my mom's dance studio for a few months now, ever since I came back, and I really like it. I really like working with all the kids. They're all so talented, which really helps. And I just have a good time. Like, I thought I was gonna have a hard time teaching, because I was never really a teacher. Like, I was more of just a dancer, and I really liked to perform, and it's very hard. Like, not every good dancer is a good teacher, and not every good teacher is a great dancer. You know what I'm saying? So I thought I was gonna have like a really hard time, and I'm still figuring it out every day, but so far so good. Like, I'm actually surprising myself. Like, I feel like I'm doing pretty good. So that's my opinion, and I hope if you guys are watching, if you're my students, I hope you think the same thing. But I'm just gonna put some concealer on. I'm not gonna do a crazy like glam look, because like I said, I'm just gonna go to work, so I'm just gonna do like a natural, like, well, not natural, I'm just gonna do like my everyday makeup look. And I don't usually put on makeup to go to work. Like, I mean, you guys have seen in my week in my life, like, most of the time I'm not wearing any makeup, because I don't really see a point, and my kids are really used to me not wearing any makeup, thank God. A few questions I've been getting a lot is, what is my favorite kind of dance, and do I want to move? My favorite kind of dance, that varies. My favorite kind, I'm probably like the most best at like a contemporary or like a lyrical, anything that has a lot of technique involved with it. Technique from ballet, for those of you who don't really know about dance. Ballet is like the core of all dance styles, and even hip hop and tap, like the ones that you wouldn't think, but like ballet is huge. So, and I like using my ballet technique, but I really do love hip hop a lot. I'm not the best at hip hop, but that is a goal of mine, like this year, to like become way better at hip hop, because you can use hip hop a lot, especially if you want to work. Which brings me to moving. I would want to move out west at some point. Hip hop is huge out in LA, as we all probably know, and so I want to get better at that so I can book more jobs. My dream job would be to go backup dance for someone, or like a Vegas show backup dance for someone, or go on tour and backup dance, be in commercials, be in movies, like something where I'm behind a camera. And that's another reason why I started my YouTube channel, was to force me to be behind a camera all the time, so I can be comfortable around a camera, so when I have to go and work, I'm not like frozen. You know what I mean? That was my mindset, and I think it's working so far. Like, I love talking to you guys, and I love getting behind the camera and making stuff for you guys. If you guys have any suggestions of videos you want to see or anything like that, just let me know. I just set my face with some setting powder, and I don't like to bake for too long. Like, I literally just keep, like, put it on and then wipe it right off. So that's what's going on right now. So what are some of your guys' New Year's resolutions? I know I'm a little late to be posting a video like for the new year and be talking about the new year, but I'm super excited about it. My goals are to start traveling at the beginning of the year and go audition for shows. I want to go to New York a few times, and I also want to go to LA. So if I'm gonna go, I will obviously record that for you guys and be vlogging the whole time, because it's super fun, and why not? And plus, I love watching New York vlogs. Like, it's so crazy. Like, I should have started my channel when I was in New York. Like, since I lived there for 2 years, that would have been awesome. Like, New York is so cool, and there's always something to do. So I should have done that, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna travel to New York and I'm going to audition, and hopefully that goes well. Another goal of mine is to be eating healthy, and I feel like that is such like the most cliche, cheesy, every year like goal is to eat healthy, but I'm actually starting off pretty well. So my friend Marin, shout out to you. She is really into fitness and health, and she's an amazing dancer, an amazing friend. I've known her since I moved to New York, and she ended up writing me up a meal plan, so I've been following that. So if you want to see like a what I eat in a day video following her meal plan, just like this video and comment down below and let me know, because I would love to do that for you. I've been wanting to film a what I eat in a day video for so long because I love watching them, but I am so inconsistent of how I'm eating. Like I'll eat healthy sometimes and then I'll like get Chipotle. Or like, you know, like I'm just all over the map sometimes. I'm just bronzing up my face a little bit. The Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Does it sound like I'm losing my voice? That's really concerning because the stomach flu is going around and I don't want to get sick. It really does sound like I'm losing my voice. Okay. Ignore that, please. Anyways, so I want to know what some of your guys' goals are, or if you have any ideas of like how I can keep all this stuff up and get after it, you know. I kind of fell off the train with bullet journaling. I loved it when I first started. I was so obsessed with it, but recently I just like I kind of stopped after like September. But my sisters both got bullet journals for Christmas, so I like pulled out my old one and I'm starting a new thread. So that's what I was doing all morning, starting a 2019 bullet journal. I love bullet journals, but I ended up buying like an actual planner this year rather than just trying to make all my spreads with bullet journaling, because I am so busy. Like I don't have time to make the spreads all the time. Like if I had a day where I could just sit down and do it, then I would, but I don't. And when I do have time, I'm not gonna do that. Like I'm either hanging out with my friends or with Michael, or like sleeping and recharging, doing chores, laundry. Like there's so much to be doing and I can't just like sit down and draw all the time. But if I could, that'd be awesome, but I can't. If you guys are up into bullet journaling, like let me know, because I want to see like some of the stuff that you guys come up with. I usually follow Amanda Rachel Lee's videos on YouTube, and just follow hers because she's a beast at it. Like I don't know if you guys have ever seen her videos, but she's so good at bullet journaling. So I'm just gonna put light, just like a little bit of brown eyeshadow on. I don't like to do too heavy when I'm doing like an everyday thing. I usually do my Modern Renaissance palette by... Okay, did you guys see that? No! I usually use my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just take the burnt orange color, which is right here, and I just put that like all over my lid and in my crease, and I pretty much call it a day after that. If you guys want to see me post dance videos on here, let me know. Or just put little clips of dance videos in here, because I totally can, but I just love doing lifestyle videos, like lifestyles, vlogs, like a little bit of beauty here and there. Like I know I'm like not the best, so that's why I don't really post too much beauty, but I could totally do that for you guys. I want to do some clothing hauls. I just need to get more clothes. Like that's the thing, where I just, once I get some stuff, I just kind of keep it for a while, or then I go on a binge and I just like shop and buy everything. So maybe I'll just include some of the stuff here and there, but I'm mostly going to be doing vlog. That's what I like to do, is just like a week in my life, a day in my life, stuff like that. If you guys have any challenges you want me to do, let me know. I just want to like start this new year off so good, and I want to be posting more often. Like I'm going to set a goal to be posting 2 times a week, so hopefully I can keep up with that. So I'm just gonna put a little mascara on because I look scary without it. Every single time I put mascara on, I always get it on my nose. Does that happen to anyone else? Because I feel like it's a problem that happens literally every single time. Ugh. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of highlighter on. I always use the Jeffree Star Iced Cold one. I don't like to put too much on everything. Actually, that's why I love highlighter. It fixes everything, as we all know. Gives you wings, makes you skinny. You know what I'm saying? That's what happens. Okay, and then to finish it off, I'm just going to be putting some lipstick on. I'm going to be using my favorite Velvet Teddy from MAC. It's the best lipstick in the whole wide world. Like, why? Why is it the best lipstick ever? Like, why does it look so good? Now we need to tame this. Look at that. I'm embarrassed. I hate this. You hear that? That's a problem. That is what we call an issue. Still not the best, but that'll do. If you guys have any questions that you want me to answer in a future video, please just comment them down below. I would love to chat with you guys in the comment section as well. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would really help me out and it will make me so happy for this new year. I love making videos for you guys and I will see you guys next time. Bye.